Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Then choose while using the app in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, you can click on this little flag over here whenever you want to, and if you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the square button over here. Now name your recording in this little pop-up and tap on save. As you can see, mine was successfully saved. If you wish to get rid of it though, you can always do that by holding it, choosing delete at the bottom and confirming your choice in delete files pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!